Have you ever met a man who was into you at first, but then out of nowhere, he started pulling away? No calls, no text, and suddenly he's acting like you barely exist. If this has ever happened to you, listen carefully because there is a reason men lose interest, and there is a way to make a man chase you, adore you, and never take you for granted. In this video, I am going to reveal the 5 powerful things that make a man chase you forever. Stay with me till the end because number 5 is something 90% of women get completely wrong. But before then, I want you to click that subscribe button, press the notification bell, and also comment your name on the comments. Let me know who I am talking to. Now back to the points. Number 1 reason is for you to become a high value woman. Listen, men don't chase women who are desperate for their attention. They chase women who are valuable, independent, and have a life of their own. And the biggest mistake most women make is being too available. A man texts you and you respond immediately every time. If you cancel your plans just to be with him, if you agree with everything he says just to keep him happy, he will lose the mystery. And let me tell you, men love mystery. When you are too available, you trigger a man's natural hunting instinct. He starts wondering about you, thinking about you more, and that is exactly what keeps his interest alive. Number 2 is be feminine but have boundaries. What did I say? Be feminine and have boundaries. Some women think that being feminine means being too soft, too weak, or saying yes to everything. No. True femininity is about being warm, kind, and graceful, and at the same time, setting clear boundaries. Let me just give you an example now. Let's say a guy keeps cancelling plans with you at the last minute and you just accept it every time. Do you know what you are teaching him? You are teaching him that it is okay to disrespect your time. But instead, a high value woman will say, I understand things come up, but I don't wait around for the last minute plans. From that moment, he knows that he has to respect you or he will lose you. And listen, boundaries don't push men away. They make men respect you the more. Number 3 is let him invest in you. Men don't value what they don't work for. That is just human psychology. If you are always the one making all the efforts, texting him first, planning dates, fixing things, he won't value you the same way as if he had to earn your time and attention. If you want to make a man obsessed with you, number 1, give him a role to play in your life. Let him feel like he's adding value to you. Let him plan the dates. Let him fix something for you. Let him give you advice. And when a man invests in you, he values you the more. The number 4th one is trigger his hero instinct. Men have a deep psychological need to feel like a protector and a provider. It is called the hero instinct. When a man feels needed and appreciated, he naturally gets more attached to you. Let's say you are struggling with something and instead of you saying, I know how to do this, I don't need anyone, you can say, hey my dear, I would love your opinion on this. And from that moment, he feels important in your life. And when a man feels needed, he sticks around. And the number 5th one is master emotional connections. Your looks might attract a man, but emotions make him to stay. And the biggest mistake women make is focusing only on physical attraction. The key to making a man chase you forever is building an emotional bond. How do you do this? Be present when he talks to you. Make him feel understood. Create unique, unforgettable moments together. When a man feels emotionally connected to you, He won't just chase you. He will never want to lose you. So my dear, my final words is, if you apply these 5 things, you will notice that men will start chasing you instead of you chasing them. But listen, the goal is not just to make the man chase you. The goal is to find the right man who genuinely values you. So now tell me, which of these 5 things do you think is the most important? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe if you have not done so for more powerful relationship advice. See you in my next video. I remain Mr. Lorenzo. Bye bye.